Alright boys, today we got a package coming from BC'sVators and Vancity Elevators. Big thanks to BC'sVators for acquiring this part. Big thanks to Kone for allowing him to get it. And thanks to Vancity for sending it to me. I'm going to throw in a quick video of the elevators that this call station came from.
We're gonna take a couple rides on this.
For sure.
Here, 14.
If you want, Toby, we can go to ground and change elevator certain items.
Why not? This sucks how it's getting modded. But thank God we came here.
Let's get to unboxing this. We'll do it. We'll just cut. Oh boy, finally got one. Well, hello random person. The only thing that was requested to do other than shipping these items was to say this phrase. Fool. You think the person named Jason? I wonder who Jason is. For asking me to write this down on a piece of paper, I shouldn't be wasting. Enjoy the following item. Subscribe to them. Links will be down below. Happy Nerd Day. Alright, let's get to the part. Look at that. Schindler MT with the long bar. Oh my god, I finally have MT. Oh yes, look at this. I've ridden a few MTs in my life, but I've never seen the long bar version. This is cool too. It's not just a regular call station. Wow, this is in amazing condition, guys. Look at how shiny it is. It sucks that these elevators are getting modded though. Yeah, so I'll wire this up and I'll add it up to my collection. So here's my little Schindler corner on my shelf. MT, HT, and HT Premium. One bulb is burnt out on the up button, but we can live. That looks cool. But thanks, BC Elevators and Vancity Elevators. If it wasn't for you, I would not have MT anytime soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Make sure you subscribe to both of their channels. The links will be down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing, and that'll be it.